If you're ready to finally put an end to renting and start investing in yourself, you've come to the right place. Let me introduce you to Bear Park, where you'll find beautiful brand new townhomes in Hickory. At Bear Park, a home of your own can finally be yours. Here you'll have a 3-bedroom townhome complete with a 1-car garage, all less than 5 miles from downtown Hickory. Picture your home your way. At Bear Park, you get to choose the finishes that fit your signature style. From your kitchen countertops to your flooring and more, you don't have to settle for someone else's choices. Your new townhome features a large great room open to the kitchen. You'll never have to miss out on any of the action when hosting family and friends. Choose how you want to use your 3 bedrooms by styling them with your needs in mind, whether you create all bedrooms, guest rooms, or even a home office. Your new home will also include a patio where you can relax and wind down after a long day. Plus, you do not have to worry about exterior maintenance because that is included, giving you more time to do the things you love. From start to finish, we have a dedicated team to help you every step of the way, including after you move in. You can rest easy knowing your home comes with an in-house industry-leading warranty. Living in this location is ideal for making your life easy and fun. Bear Park is located just minutes from shopping at Valley Hills Mall, a day out at Hickory City Walk, relaxing at Lake Hickory, and LP Friends Stadium to cheer on the Hickory Crawdads. If you're picturing your life here and want to know how to learn more, you're in luck. We just completed construction on our model home, so it's ready for you to explore. Schedule a personalized visit today. We look forward to welcoming you home.